But what if you want to add a new page? Elementor makes this super easy. Simply go up to the top and click the drop-down next to your current page name. In our case, that's Home. Then click Add New Page. You may get a window asking you to save before you leave. Go ahead and click Save and Leave. Here you can see the blank page. First, we'll want to name it, so go up and click the gear icon. And then in the left side, under General Settings, find the title field and give your page a name. In my case, I'll call it The Team. Next, you could click the plus button to add a container, select the layout for the container, and start adding elements. This is great if you want to build a page from scratch. But if you don't want to build everything from scratch, you can use starter templates to give you a jump start. Click the Starter Templates logo, scroll through the gallery to find a general design you like, and when you open it up, you'll get options for individual pages. In my case, I like this About Us design here. So I'll go ahead and click to open it, and then click Import Template. And just like that, the template has been loaded onto the page. And I can quickly change this header to say, The Team. Now, if someone were to go to this website right now, they would not see this page. And that's because if you look at the top, next to the page name, it says Draft. To make this page live, click Publish in the top right. And here you can see the draft tag next to our page name has disappeared, and the page is currently live. To preview this page on your live site, you can go up to the top right and click the eye icon. And there it is.